Hi, this is BalaReva. Welcome to BalaReva Uipath YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to move the sheet inside workbook and how to move the column. Finally, how to use the format painter. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Never miss the update. Your subscription makes me to create more videos and components. First, we need to install the package. Go to Manage and Packages, select Connect and type BalaReva Easy Excel. Select the package and install it. Okay. So, when you navigate in the Activities panel, you can able to see BalaReva Easy Excel and in the main, and after that in the workbook. So first we need to use the Excel scope activity, and here you have to select the Excel file and we have to use the move sheet activity. So here you can able to see the tooltip as before sheet, that means the initial sheet name. Okay, let me show you the sample file. This is the sample file. I am going to move the sheet 4 before the sheet 2. You can see how to do this one. So in the before the sheet, that means the initial sheet name, we have to give the sheet 2. And the new sheet name is here, we have to give sheet 4. Okay, so I'm going to move the sheet 4 before the sheet 2. Let me close the file. Okay, I'm going to execute the process. Let us check the result. See, now it's moved. It's moved before the sheet 2. In case if I want to move the sheet in the first position, that means before the 10,000 record sheet, we have a shortcut. You just go here in the initial sheet name or before the sheet, you have to give colon first. This is case sensitive, so the F should be capital letter. If you give like this, automatically it will move the sheet 4 in the first position. And I'll close this one and I'm going to execute the process. Okay, can we check the result? See, now sheet 4 in the first position. At the same time, if you want to move the sheet in the last position, same as you have a shortcut, it's called last, colon last. So the L should be caps. So I'm going to execute the process. Let us check the result. See, now it's in the last position. So this is the way we can able to use the sheet move activity. So next we are going to see column move activity. I'm going to disable this one. Okay, so I'm going to drag the column move activity. Let us see the sample file. I'm going to use the sheet 2. Okay, in a situation I want to move the gender before the date of birth. That means the F column has to be moved before the K column. Okay, so here you have to mention the sheet name as sheet 2, and from column range is you have to give it is, I think it's F column. Yeah, it's a F column. The F column you have to mention F colon F. Okay, and where you want to move, I want to move before the K column. So here you have to mention K, that means K colon K. Okay, so I'm going to close the Excel file. So I'm going to execute the process. Okay, let us check the result. See, the gender has moved before the date of birth. Not only single column, we can able to move multiple columns. Let us take an example. I'm going to move the name prefix, first name, middle initial and last name. That means B column, C column, D column, E column should move before the J column, that means before the gender. Okay, we can see how to do this one. This is B to E. So here I am going to specify B to E. And the gender is J because I need to move before the gender, and this is J. Okay, I'll close the file. Okay, I'm going to execute the process. Good, we can check the result. See, now the last name, middle name, first name and the name of prefix is moved before the gender. Okay, so this is the way we can able to move the column inside the sheet. So finally we are going to see the format painter. It's a powerful activity. Okay, and let me explain the situation. This is the real situation from one of the Uipath forum user. Okay, but the data are a sample data. I am not using the original data. The thing is, I'm going to take the sheet 3. Here we have some information. So in the salary and the percentage of hike. So in the salary, I need to set the format condition, the color scale like this. Okay, and the percentage of hike, I need to set the arrow direction like this. Okay, so how we can able to set this format using Uipath Studio. Okay, I'm not going to save this one. Before that, what I have done, I just created a template here. Okay, so this is the template I'm going to already I have created, but okay, now it's okay. Okay, so the arrow direction and the color scale. So if you want to do manually, what you do, you just select the things and press the format painter and you go to the sheet 3 and you just do like this one. So normally manually this is the way we do. So how we can do this thing using Uipath. Okay, so I'm going to save this one. Okay, first I'll move this one to here. Okay, so the format painter here. Okay, the first, this is the source area, the cell range. So what is the cell range? I'm going to use as a source. This one is not a right one because we need to use the arrow direction. Okay, so this is A to A30. So here you have to give A to A30. Okay, this is from sheet 4. And the destination salary is H2 to H25. H2 to H25. The destination sheet is sheet 3. Okay, use the same, just copy paste. and this one is I. So here is I to I25, and here is to B to B13. Okay. So in the sheet 3 we don't have anything. Okay, we don't have any conditional formatting icons. So I'm going to close this one. So let me execute the process. Let us check the result. Wow, see, we have the arrow directional and the color scale. So it's very easy, using the format painter, it's very easy. Okay, so using this way we can able to use the format. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, never miss the update. Your subscription makes me to create more videos and components.